Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. It's all squared heading into the second leg quarterfinals of the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League matches next Monday, following last evening's clashes at Sabina Park. Former champions Arnett Gardens needed an 82nd minute goal from Fabian Reid to earn a 1-1 draw with Portmore United in the second match of the doubleheader at the venue. Portmore were in front after 41 minutes thanks to an own goal from defender Philando Wing. Both teams will lock horns in the return clash on Monday for a chance to take on Cavalier.
Played a decent first half. The plan was to press Arnett as much as possible in the first half and create as much moments. I think the plan worked with more efficiency in front of goal. We could have got more out of the first half, but I mean, it's very rough to play a pressing game for 90 minutes, and I think the legs went somewhat in the second half for us.
Of course, we were behind, and I thought we just needed to make some tactical adjustment to ensure that we get something out of the game tonight. Albeit, I think we created some and should have probably scored one more or two more, but I mean, nevertheless, both teams gave it their all, and happy that we're not behind headed into the second leg.
Meanwhile, Waterhouse gave up a 73rd minute equalizer to Tivoli in their 1-1 draw in the first match of the doubleheader. Waterhouse scored their first goal of the season in 3 games against their opponents with a 44th minute penalty from Javane Bryan. Bryan recording his 15th goal of the season. Tivoli found their way back into the contest thanks to Lennox Russell.
I would have been frustrated if I lost the game, but even if it follow consistency, we've been losing 2 games. Now we score a goal against them and we keep them a little bit low on the scoring. So, that's improvement for us, and, we can get better from here going forward.
Our concentration level went where we gave up a penalty. And at this level, decision making in the final turn, it cannot be turning inside to goal. It must be away from goal. But overall, I think Waterhouse, they came here with a purpose, and they did fairly well in the first half.
The West Kingston-based team and Waterhouse will square off at 7:30 p.m. next Monday to decide who face Mount Pleasant in the semi-finals. Some cricket news now. Batting first, Excelsior High were 160 for 2 at lunch on the opening day of the 3-day All-Ireland Issa Spalding Cup against Manchester High at Melbourne Oval. David Dewar has so far top scored with 81, while Jamari Daly made 41. The two shared in a century opening partnership. Both teams are coming off double success, with Excelsior having won the Urban Area Grey Shield and the T20 titles, while Manchester High won the Rural Area Headley Cup and the T20 competitions. Chasing 279 for victory, Pakistan's women were 136 for 5 after 37.4 overs against the West Indies women in the third and final one-day international in Karachi. Muniba Ali has so far top scored with 38 for Pakistan. Captain Hayley Matthews has taken 2 for 26 for the Indies women so far. Earlier, the West Indies women, led by a career-best century from Matthews, posted 278 for 6 after electing to bat. Matthews cracked 141 off 149 balls, including 16 fours. She also shared in a 111-run third-wicket partnership with Stephanie Taylor, who made 47. Shemaine Campbell also chipped in with 38, while Ali Alain made 20. And Ashira Sandhu has took 3 for 40 for Pakistan women. The Windies women are seeking a 3-0 sweep of the series. And that's where we pull up stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.